My crispy crouton beef buns are really easy to make and rib-stickingly filling. The family are going to love them. Using a pair of scissors or a small serrated knife, cut the tops out of 8 to 12 average size bread rolls. Set the tops and a little bit of the filling aside. Whisk the garlicky oil together lightly, then brush the insides and outsides of the rolls lightly with the garlicky oil. Pop them in the oven to crisp slightly. Chop the remaining bread into little pieces and toss in the residual garlicky oil, and pop that in the oven to crisp slightly too. When the rolls have started to crisp, remove from the oven and fill with the Mexi-Mince mixture. Combine the crispy croutons and the grated cheese and pile on top. Pop the crouton-topped rolls back in the oven until the cheese has melted. Serve them piping hot. If you'd like to make my crispy crouton Mexi beef buns, then head on over to recipes.co.nz.